It seemed like a lot at the beginning, but this course has broken it down to be very simple. It's a very regimented way to practice. I've learned some pearls that I will implement back into my practice right away. Hi, I'm Jonathan Runion, Columbus, Ohio dentist, and I'm here at the Vesper Institute. I've been doing IV sedation since about 2011. I'm taking this course to do some advanced training. Even though I'm certified in Ohio for conscious sedation and practice every day, I found Vesper's online learning and in-person training to be very in-depth. The online learning gave us a ton of information coming into the course. The videos were very well put together, they're interactive, and allowed us to really get another large bolus of information before coming in. And then once here, John and Jay have been wonderful, showing their experience, giving some of those insights that I don't see every day in my practice, so just learning from their experience has been great. And then, networking with other dentists that are doing it, learning from Dr. Sayer and his experience has been wonderful as well. So I've been really excited from the get-go, from the videos all the way through the training. For any dentist that is potentially fearful of bringing this service to their patients, this place is a great place to train and to relieve those fears. But the cool thing is, even after this course, if you're not quite feeling where you need to be, there's a family here where you can come back and get more training and advance your skills till you are comfortable to bring that service back to your practice. So I think that's something that's unique here that I've not seen, honestly, with any other sedation course.